Hello, my name is Scott Campbell and I'm the founder of Sino Exchange, which is a not-for-profit educational charity. Today we're here at ISA in Wuhan doing an outreach program. Our students today are learning about technical drawing, CAD, and also the engineering and design process. The reason why this is so important is the students of tomorrow will need to be able to solve problems, which means they need to apply science and mathematics in an authentic way. Currently, they're taking their projects from the morning, which is technical drawing, and they're now converting those to CAD drawings or computer-aided design using correct scale, proportions, and measurements. Later, they can 3D print these designs, and afterwards, we'll go into some aviation projects.
It's pretty interesting and we learn a lot from it. It's given me a very precious experience and it's really helpful for design class.
This experience overall has been just wonderful. I really enjoyed it. Although of course there were a few bumps along the way that took some time for me to understand what to do. And I think it was pretty fun.
I think this class is really interesting and it talks about what is also metric and what is also graphic. And we try to build buildings and the computer by ourselves. I think it's really interesting and I love this subject.
Today, international and Wuhan students did a STEM day, and during the day they focused on interdisciplinary units, so maths and science and a little bit of engineering. They also focused on risk-taking, and also the most important thing I feel in a profile is they were principled and they were good communicators.